happy one, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for Kathryn, who's one of my patrons over on Patreon. So thank you, Kathryn, for being a patron again this month. Now she sent me over some files, some artwork files that she purchased. So I'm not sure where these are from, but it's this fun tropical theme that I'm going to use for this spread. I also am going to pull in Wild Plants, a couple other books, because I need like functional stickers. So I have some on hand to do that. Oh, I need to get some wax paper. But yeah, I'm just going to decorate a cute tropical theme spread for Kathryn. Alright, so yeah, I'm excited to do this spread because I've been doing a lot of fall spreads, which I love. But this is a pretty, I love tropical theme spreads, so I'm excited. I'm going to put this one. I just love everything about it. I think I want to put it on the side over here. And maybe a box with it. So let me grab a big box. Kind of like layered with the bird. Something like that. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try to put this down straight. Oops. Okay. Looks pretty good. All right. And then I want to layer, okay, let me look through this book first. Just to see. I like this one. That one's pretty too. I feel like I probably pulled all the good stickers though from here. So maybe it's not a good idea to pull from here. Okay, I also pulled this one because it's got really nice colors like these. Might work. I like this green. Okay, yeah, so I think this one might be a good one to pull from. It's a teacher book, but it's got some good stickers. And then I did have Decoratively Wild, because I'm not sure if I want to pull in some patterned boxes. I'm not sure if this is going to mix well. Actually, let's see. Let's see. I can't decide. I kind of like that color more. A bunch of birds, obviously. Oh, and I have all these leaves too that I want to throw in. Maybe I should get more of this stuff down before I figure out what I plan on doing. Okay, so I kind of want this one actually. Let me just put this here. And I'm going to cut all these pieces off. Yeah, I like that color, so that's a good choice. Okay, cool. Let's see. Do I want to do pink? I kind of like the pink. It's different. Kind of tones things down a little bit. I think the pink will work. I think this is a little too much for this spread. And I kind of want the artwork that she sent to be more of the focal point. So I think that's a good idea. I have little headers. there's like a little cool effect on this because you can see the leaves through it, so it looks like it's printed on there, but it's not. Okay, I like that. That looks good. So I need checklists too. So are the checklists in here? I don't think so. I think I might use this one. Let's see for this side. And I might cover up some of these like print. Oops. See if that looks okay. I think it does. Okay, I think I might be able to get 3 birds in this spread. I think I want to get the pink one in. So let me figure out where the pink one's gonna go. Because it ties in the pink color. Kind of want him a little bit lower, not the same height. So about here, I'm just gonna place him and then work around it. Okay, cool. Now let me grab a box, just a smaller box, one of these little ones. Yeah. Okay, going back in here because I want to pull in more of that like green touches. Ooh, I like this. Be brave and kind. Oops. Let's scoot that over a little bit. Okay. But I want to get this darker green too on the spread. Do I have something? Oh, okay, I got boxes. Same color? More blue. Not more green. I don't know why I always pick the color that like is not really in the book. It's always fun. Okay. I'm gonna make it work though. That's what I'm gonna do. Should be okay. All right, I think I'm gonna put this one here. Do a little layer here. And I wanna get this blue, this flower. This one. Let's see how this looks. Layered here. It's big, but it's pretty. It's really big, actually. I don't think it's gonna fit. Is it gonna fit? Oh, I guess it's fitting. It's fitting. It's a little crooked, but I can fix it. Okay, there it is. Cool. Okay, I don't mind that, even though it's huge. I don't mind that. I do have another little bird. He's little though. I think I can manage to put him in. I feel like I need 3. So maybe... Ooh, no. I don't want to stick him there. I'm just gonna stick them down here. I like to have them at different like areas. So I think that's good. Okay, cool. Cute. All right. Now I need to find, well, I have flowers still. I feel like over here I need yellow, over here. So maybe I should cover this up with yellow. Okay, that helps to disperse the yellow around a little bit more, so I like that. I have a little bit of blue here. Should I do blue? I'll just do blue here. That's the color in, doesn't take up too much room, so that's good. Cool. All right, I'm gonna move on to these. Oh, this is why. Okay, so I couldn't find this color because it was in this book. I totally forgot. I was like, I can't find that color anymore, but it was in this book the whole time. My bad. Okay, so let me find stuff in here. Oh, there's checklists. Cool. So I'm just gonna use these checklists. They're meant for the, what planner is this? Dashboard? No, teacher, sorry. It's a teacher planner. But I like that because it's not so big and I can stick a few. Well, actually, do I have a few I can stick? We shall see. Oh, yes, I do. Okay. I have black too, so that's good. Let's stick some black ones. Down 2. Oh, that's crooked. And another green one. Because I really like this green. Cool. That looks really pretty. Okay, happy with that. I do want a couple more things though. Definitely something here. I feel like it should be a quote. So I need to look for that. Okay, I have these quotes here. Okay, let me see if this will fit. This is a nice quote. I just feel like I need something else over here. These big, huge leaves. I don't know why I made them this big, but I did, so I have to deal with it. But they're ginormous. I don't know if I'm able to use them the way I'm thinking. Okay, let me look for a different quote, see if there's a better one. Oh, you know what I can look in? This one. This one has smaller ones. Okay, maybe not. Back in here, or let me go into rainbow. I have a black section. Kind of used the good ones, I believe. Yeah. Green? No. Those are not good greens. Okay. All right, so I need to find, okay, let me stick this here. I do have this little piece left. I feel like it's not enough. Okay, I'm just gonna stick it here. And, no. Wait, I think it might work actually. If I place it correctly. Okay, I think I like that. All right, yeah, I think that works. Cool. I feel like I do need more pink though in this spread because I'm a little lacking in the pink, and I do like the touch of pink in it. Yeah, it's pretty. So let's see which pink Oh, this is cute. It says wild plans. I also like this chase your dreams. Can I have this somewhere? Let's see. Just do wild plans here. And I want some bullet points. I have these little like busy day. Do that. Just for more pink. Just for the sake of having pink. So let's do this day as busy. I'm gonna do one here. Okay, I feel like this side looks pretty good. I'm happy with this. I just need to maybe do a couple more boxes because I only have like 2 boxes here. That's it. It's not really a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick a box here. Maybe I can do another one over here. And I really wish I had bullet points. I think I might, oh, I have these. Never mind, okay. So, changing my mind. I'll take this off. Oh no, it's gonna come off. Oh, it did, okay. I am going to put these little, like, page flags. Just gonna cover up what I ripped on accident. So how I would use these is like if I was writing here, I could check off here, but if I'm writing here, I could check off. You can like do a double check off too, which is nice. That works. Although I kind of want a couple more, and I don't know if I have a couple more. Okay, why is this book good but then not good at the same time? Like, oh my goodness, let me go back in here. Okay, this book's better. I have the pink there. Hold on, let me change this up. I'm gonna put the pink here. Okay, I'm just going to do a green one from here. Okay, looks good. All right, with that, I am done. So that's gonna be the spread for Kathryn. Kathryn, I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you wanna see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.